Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1099 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out my Violet Voss eyeshadow single that I got in the shade Magic Hour. We have someone that wants to come up. Come here, honey. Here's Dexter. Oh, thank you, honey. So, what was I saying? I got this as a points redemption product in my January 2021 glam bags. I think it might have come in my glam bag plus. I was looking this up online and as far as I could see, this is only available at Ipsy. So I couldn't find Violet Voss eyeshadow singles anywhere else, but I'm excited to try this out. I've tried out Violet Voss eyeshadow palettes that I like. Also, there are new products available on the Ipsy app that you can redeem points for. And I don't know if it's always been like this, but I just realized they only update that on the first of the month. At least that's how it's been the last few months. Let me know in the comments down below, is that true? Is that when Ipsy updates their points? Because if so, I want to make sure to always check on the first of the month because those products sell out so quickly and I love to redeem my points for the free products. So here is what Magic Hour looks like. It looks so pretty, like a beautiful shimmering gold. And there's a little mirror in the packaging here too, which is cute. But so first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. Oh yeah. Oh, that is pretty. That looks pigmented. It has a good sheen to it. Here you can see how that looks. So for the fun of it, I am going to try this out with and without an eyeshadow primer. So I'm just taking my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion and I'll apply that to one of my eyes and just blend that all over the lid. Also a bit up to the brow bone because I'll try this in the crease as well. And so I'm just gonna do an eye look using this one shade. So I wanna try a few different methods of applying it. So first I'm gonna take my fluffier brush and I'm gonna pick it up and try blending it out into the crease. And we'll see what kind of effect this gives. I feel like it could potentially be a good highlight shade. Ooh. That does look very pretty and shiny, and it does blend out to a diffused color. I think because of the shimmery texture of this, it's a little bit harder to pick it up with the brush, but that does look really nice. I feel like this definitely could work as a little brow highlight shade. But I also like the look of this, kind of all over the brow bone. Has a little subtle shimmer. What I really think would be the best application of this is to just apply it with my finger. So I'm gonna pick it up with my finger and apply it all over the lid and we'll see how that looks. Ooh, yes, this is what I was hoping for. Like full foiled color. It looks so pigmented, so bright. That is really, really pretty. I feel like this would add such a beautiful pop and brightness to any eyeshadow look. Like, this is actually kind of a neutral shade. I feel like I could picture it going with pretty much all colors. But also for the fun of it, I want to try applying it with a wet brush. So I'm just going to spray my brush. Dexter's like, what are you doing? And then applying it to the other eye. It's kind of hard to explain, but it kind of has like a packed down texture and formula. So it works really well to use my finger. Oh, but there I go. I am layering up some more with the wet brush, and now I feel like it's reaching that full opaque color that looks pretty much the same as when I applied it with my finger. So you could really use either method to build this up. When I was looking in the mirror, I'm like, I kind of like how this looks alone as a one color eyeshadow look. But then I looked at myself in the viewfinder full view, and I don't think this shade really works for me and my skin tone as a one color eyeshadow look. I think I need other colors, more dimension, a little bit too yellow on me, but it is a really pretty gold. I love the sheen of it, and it's really easy to work with. It's really pigmented. I definitely realize that when I do makeup and I'm doing an eyeshadow look, I tend to reach for eyeshadow palettes more often. I just think they're easier than reaching for a bunch of eyeshadow singles. But I do like this. It's a nice formula, it's a nice shade, but it's not enough. Like, this is not a one eyeshadow look type of shade for me. It's definitely a shade that I would need to use with other colors. It's like a complementary shade. And because of that, I'm not like, this is the most amazing product ever, but it's a good product. And not all my eyeshadow palettes have this shade in it, so I could definitely see myself reaching for this. It's just like, I have to remember to reach for this separate eyeshadow single. But let's see if there's any creasing with and without the eyeshadow primer. No creasing on either of the eyes. So it is a really nice product. Let me know if you have tried out this eyeshadow single from Violet Voss, or if you have any other favorite Violet Voss eyeshadow palettes. I'd love to know in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.